Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my kerosene lantern, and this time I ran my fuel tank dry. You can tell by the wick, it's all charred up and it needs to be retrimmed. So this is what I recommend doing for if you run your fuel tank dry on your lantern. You'll notice that it's a little bit more charred than normal. That's because the cotton wick will actually start to burn when the fuel runs out. So what I like to do is take some scissors and sort of cut off this piece like that. And then this is what your wick should look like. And then I like to cut it at around a 45 degree. Like that. Flip it. Just do it like that. And then cut. So your wick should look like a triangle. Like that. Here's step 2. You'll notice that when you look inside of the dome, there's a little soot that builds up over time that you use it. So what I recommend is taking a rag or a piece of toilet paper, just go along the inside and just wipe down some of the soot. Let's sort of clean that dome. Soot. And there also may be a little bit of soot on the bottom of the dome too. So just go around the whole inside of the dome. And you can see the dome starting to get clear. And that's about good enough, huh? So that is what your dome should look like, clean. Then you can go ahead and install it back into your lantern. Like so. Now the last step is to refuel it. We just open up the cap. Fuel tank is dry, so we'll fill it up. Clear kerosene. That's enough fuel. Put the cap back on. And there you have it. yeah, one more thing that I recommend doing before you relight your lantern is to prime it. What I do to prime it is I just go a few turns in, maybe about a turn and a half. And you just sort of switch that liquid up. And then you come back up, and the wick looks wet, and it's ready to go. Let's go light it up. That's about good. Alright. That's about it. Thanks for watching.